So guys, again dark clouds. Don't want to take risk with my vlogging setup. I have my camera mounted, but without the mic. This is where we stayed. This is the look. Here's the machine. Let's get going. It's getting late. I just hope we don't find some rain. Yesterday we had to ride through a bit of rain, but hoping that everything will go well and we'll reach Kanyakumari on time. Okay na? You tasted Bovonto? Bovonto taste chesava? Bovonto drink next level undi. Sharon discovered that he's good at photography just recently, so he's taking unlimited pictures. So I think my memory is gonna be full soon. And Subin is a professional chef, so we're gonna head straight to Kanyakumari now, get some lip smacking food. I'm gonna ride as much as I can with the tinted visor, but we also have a clear glass just in case it gets too dark. It will. So straight to Kanyakumari. Look at the skies, painted like a Picasso painting. Man, the creator is at work. He is at his best. And Mother Nature, whoa, fluorescent are on fire. So guys, finally we've arrived at Thoothukudi, just few kilometers away from Kanyakumari. So this is Satya Park and Resorts, and Christmas season has already arrived here, and boy have they lit up this place in a lit fashion. Look at the decorations here, the stars, the trees and the lights. Wow, these are all having custom lighting. You can keep looking at this all night long. It's done so beautifully. Even the trees are lit up, and the Christmas theme has been carried forward properly. So I just hope it captures the night shots properly. Try and take a nightscape picture. The plants are lit up. Oh my god. And here you have the nativity story of infant Jesus being born. So cool. And here again you have the custom lighting, and here you have the tree lit up so flawlessly. My god. Where are these guys? Here they are. Enga poitu vandinga? Two fugitives. Seri, irangu. I was just showing the decoration. The vlog has already begun. Look at the way this thing is lit up. Oh ho ho. I got it like that Christmas fever, kind of a Christmas theme is running through my veins now. Perfect, huh? So Surya was actually desperately trying to get in using the car key. What is the secret behind this radiance, this brilliance? So okay, this is thank you. So you get ready for the food as food reveal. Kind of platter for the day: mutton biryani and mutton chukka. mutton chukka is this. So I have to tell you, I am a huge Hyderabadi food fan and Hyderabadi biryani fan. But the mutton quality here has been absolutely fantastic. Every place Subin has taken me, or Subin and Sharon have taken me, mutton quality, the quality of mutton has been better than the quality of mutton that we find in restaurants in Hyderabad. So really feel we have to up the standard. But the taste is also something different from the Hyderabadi style. This is more like a pulao style every time we eat. So let me have. Shanna. And here mutton chukka. Again, one of my favorite dishes. Mutton kind of melts in your mouth. It's so tender. It's cooked so tender. And I'm going to relish this completely. And of course, this is not for me. This is everyone's food. This, my friend, is pigeon curry, and it tastes really good. It's all Surya's. It's Surya's name is written all over it. And tomorrow, Surya's, beware, better be ready. Pigeons are going to come for you to get revenge. You're going to eat their cousin or someone, nephew. Okay, so guys, look what we found. We found a trampoline. I think it's meant for kids, but Surya is still just a kid, so he's gonna try it out. Oh my god, just watch out. I just hope you just don't come flying out of it onto the lawn. So jump around, man, give us some content. Do a backflip gone wrong. Take one, take two, please. Now, Surya is actually playing basketball with a fitness ball. Not supposed to do that, man. Actually, Ram unte baundu, the fitness guy in our team. Ram led. He would have given a 1 hour session on fitness. Re kinda vartadara re odra. Din meeda okati abs exercise trains you. Oh my god. It's wobbly, wibbly. So I think this is actually children's play area. We have invaded the space. Time machine. Off we go. Let's hope we enter into a dimension where we get super bikes for free.
Also the fuel.
Also the fuel. That's getting too greedy. But still, सुपर बाइक मिलना ही एक बात है. इसको फ्यूल भी फ्री में चाहिए कहते. क्या तो भी है यार. हैदराबाद वाले ऐसे दिल वाले जो दिल में बोल देते. जरा अरे तेज घुमा रे भाई तू. तेज घुमाए तो अपने को जाने को मिलता. अरे वाह, दिस इज ऑसम. अभी मेरा सर चकराने लगा. दूसरी दुनिया में चले जा रहे डीनो भाई. क्या हो रहा समझ में नहीं. So the stay at Satya Park and Resorts Thoothukudi is come to an end. We are heading out, checking out and heading towards Kanyakumari. The moment all of us have been waiting for. And it's going to be really beautiful is what they are promising, and really can't wait to explore more. So off we go.
Unlock. கொஞ்சம் ஃப்ரண்ட்ல போ. Okay.
Look at that massive thing. We're going to do justice to that soon. Stay tuned for that on Instagram in Dino style. And let me just go and warm up my motorcycle by then. Again, it's overcast. May start raining all any moment, so kind of removed my mic setup. Waterproofing intact for the GoPro, and a lot of riding shots. Dent free zone is what they say. Here it is. Even the blue one looks pretty good, the display. Okay, I think it's in gear, so நார்மல் பெட்ரோல் டேங்க் ஃபுல் பண்ணிட்டு ஆனால் ஒரு ரவுண்ட் ஃபிகரில் நிறுத்திருப்பா.